All right, guys, here's how you print to the powerspec mini. I'm assuming you read on the web page to make sure that you have the software installed. If you did not do that, check and see if you have it. You're looking for this icon right here, and it's called powerspec Cura. This is different than the other Cura. It's got to be the powerspec Cura. And if you don't see that, do a quick search for it, but it's most likely not there. Bring me your laptop so I can install it. Okay? Now, assuming that you have it, go ahead and double click to open it. When it opens up, there's a good chance it's going to be in what's called quick print mode, and you'll see you have very few choices here. We're going to want to change that mode to expert or full settings. So under the expert menu, go to full settings right here. It's going to give you a warning about, any changes, blah, blah, blah. Just say yes. So do this before you bring anything in and make any changes. All right, so then what you're going to want to do is bring in your model to this. So you're going to click the load button. I believe you can also do it from the file menu as well. Okay, so you're going to load a file in there. And let me go to desktop here, 3D print, and pick one right here. And then it will import it right here, and you can move around and view and move it around, things like that. The main thing you're going to want to do with this are the following settings. Number one, you're going to want to be sure you're on basic. Change layer height to 0.2, which will make your print a little bit faster, and it'll still look just fine. Leave everything else here by default. Under fill density, this should be anywhere between 5 and 25. If it's something that's going to need to be handled and go through a little bit of rigorous handling, you're going to want to leave it at about 20 to 25. If it's just going to sit on a shelf as a little trinket or whatever, you could lower that to as much as 5 or 10, anywhere around there. The less infill you have, the faster it's going to print. These settings here can stay the same. You need to change platform adhesion type to raft right there. Leave the print speed, leave the printing temperature at 210. That is good right there. All right, so once you've done that, it's time to export your G code. Now, this is very important that you follow these instructions. You're going to go to File, Save G code. Don't just do Save Model. Do Save G code. Save Model is just going to save this model. You can open it back up and edit it. Let's say you just opened this and then the bell rang, it was time to go, and you wanted to finish it tomorrow, you would do Save Model. Otherwise, when you're ready to print, you're going to do Save G code. Now, you are going to get the micro SD card from the printer and plug it into your laptop with one of the adapters that we have. So you're going to save it. You can save it to your laptop, that's fine, but you actually are going to want to save it to an external drive. So the external drive I have in here is called this Canon DC. Yours, I forget what yours is going to say, but you'll see it under My Computer. You'll see this little external drive right here. So you're going to click that, give it a name, and save it right there. You can see I've already done it once as a previous example, but you'll save it to that card. That's going to save it to the card. You're then going to take the card and put it into the printer, but there's instructions on the web page that tell you how to do that. All right, it's just that easy. Good luck.